Hello, hello. So, as you're sitting back enjoying your sunrise, let me see if it compares to a Vietnamese Sapa sunrise. So, check out my view. This right here is beautiful. So, this is the sunrise I wake up to. So these are the rice paddies in Sapa. I was going for a morning race and I saw this little part right here and it was just so beautiful. And you can see the clouds. Sapa, the actual city is up that way, maybe like 10 more minutes up. I'm on my way back down, but it's beautiful, ain't it? So yeah, this is, you wonder why I love Vietnam? No, look at this. So, sitting here with my motorcycle. Let's get a good view of it, shall we? Alright, carpet, you ready to be famous? Try not to get hit. Let me get my Batman helmet out of the way. Sapa Vietnam. I don't know what it is about this place, but I'm just in love with it. And I'm probably gonna get ran over because I'm sitting here in the middle of the road. God, I love Vietnam. I mean, just look at that. That is just a view to die for, literally. When I come out here and race, it's literally worth dying for. And this is where you gotta watch out for the buses and stuff. So when I'm racing, I'll go flying by them. I'll go flying by those buses and try to pass them and stuff. The carpet's looking mean. Carpet, say hello. Now there's a lot more cool views on the way down, but this one just kind of caught me because I'm very rarely ever up in the mornings, but I had some business to handle in Sapa. I'm trying to get used to my shaved hair, or my cut hair, and my haircut. So you want to come teach in Vietnam? Come to North Vietnam. Don't come to Ho Chi Minh City. Don't go to freaking Hanoi or wherever. This is where you belong. Could you imagine having some land out here? Raising some horses, having a little farm. I mean, it reminds me of Jurassic Park almost, like Costa Rica, like the mountains and the clouds. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. And this is the track that I like to race. You should see me when I go down and race this thing. Freaking hitting corners going left, hitting corners going right. It's crazy. Here, let's stand out in the middle of the road. Watch this. Gonna get ran over. I'm being goofy. Anyways, maybe we'll see somebody to race real quick. We'll just chill with it. You know, I envy the people that, like, imagine growing up at that house right there, or that house right there. Like, imagine that. Your life being in this beautiful valley, these beautiful mountains. Look at these people up there chilling. I don't know what they're doing, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Put on our mask. So I don't think I'm a tourist. Life is good. I'm going somewhere special in 48 hours. You ever heard of 40X? Mission Impossible 40X? So yeah, I'm gonna see that. To my friend Ben, why aren't you out here yet? To my friend, or to my brothers, come see me. To my dad, hope you're proud. You can see you got a little mix of everybody who just comes up these mountains. Every once in a while though, every once in a while you'll see somebody who I could race, but not all the time. Peace. See if everybody gives me a piece. No. They look at me like, get out of here, tourist. I'm not a tourist, but I did see some tourists up at Sapa. They looked like Germans. They wore very tight, skinny jeans. So, yeah. Anyway, all right, I gotta get out of here. I'll be staring at this all day. So, watch the get up. Just put on the Batman attire. So, put this here. Put this. And we'll get $1 million shot. So, with the motorcycle. All right, I'm out of here. I got a long ride. I got 36 kilometers down the mountain to go. So, let's do it, let's race. I'm gonna try to make it in 17 minutes. But yeah, I'm in a good mood if you can't tell. Bye guys, see ya.